I want to introduce you to a concept called the ripple effect. Because what you do when your settings are open can be seen by the people that you're connected to and by the people that your connections are connected to when they respond to something that you do. And these can result in sales. Now, there are three challenges facing every network marketer today. First, how can I cost effectively generate high quality leads of qualified prospects who are truly interested in a home business opportunity? Second, how can I quickly connect with them through social media? And third, how can I build a personal relationship with them so they get involved in my network marketing business? I've solved all three of these challenges and have eliminated other barriers to being successful too. Barriers that all network marketers face today, like being overwhelmed with all kinds of training options from all kinds of experts, struggling with what to say to a prospect, struggling when it comes to closing the sale, having no simple daily routine, having no system to train their people so the business doesn't duplicate, and spending more money than they're making to grow their business. So, for those of you that are listening to me for the first time, let me explain why you should pay attention to everything I say. In the 90s, I broke the code to a social network called America Online. And I used their texting feature to develop a simple formula and scripts that helped me get thousands of like-minded people to a network marketing business in 18 months. I've trained or shared the formula and scripts with hundreds of thousands of network marketers around the world who in turn have trained and influenced the millions of people that they work with. My formula has been responsible for creating two generations of online 6, 7, and 8-figure earners and has helped transform the entire network marketing industry from a belly-to-belly industry to a virtual one. People started calling this the Max Method years ago, and they now call me the father of social networking. Today, the fastest growing top earners in your business will tell you they owe the success to the formula and scripts. They teach them to everyone that comes into the business. As a result, they have the fastest growing teams of excited distributors in their company. Everyone follows the formula and scripts because they enable them to enroll new distributors and customers into their business in less than an hour a day. The simplicity and ease of teaching this to everyone that comes into their business ensures immediate duplication that drives excitement, motivation, and rapid rank advancement deeper into their organization. In 4 simple steps, everyone can create a free LinkedIn and Facebook profile, instantly connect with people, communicate with them at will, close a sale in less than an hour a day, and then teach the steps to everyone that they bring into the business and become a top earner. Every one of you is on your way. These 4 steps are simple to follow and they're easy to teach other people. The best part about it is they can be immediately duplicated by everyone you bring into the business. And once you master the formula and scripts, you can immediately help your new recruits use them to bring people into their business, and your business grows too. When you help your new recruits become successful quickly, they will stay in business with you. Everyone on your team will overcome and break through the greatest obstacle facing every network marketer, not having qualified prospects to talk to. Now, when you initially got into your network marketing business and were told to make your warm market list of people that you know, and then call everyone to tell them about your new business, the results were probably not very good. You call them up, you make the connection, and then as soon as you talk about the business, the conversation goes badly. As a matter of fact, so many people get negative responses from the warm market list that they begin to question the wisdom of getting involved in business with you in the first place. Telling people about your business on Facebook and LinkedIn first can help you make a few sales faster. There are certain actions that you can take that when you bring somebody into your business, you get them to open up their settings, you get them to change their picture, to post something. So the people that see that change like it, make a comment. The dynamics of the conversation that follows from someone reacting to a post or something that you've done is totally different than if you called that person on the telephone to tell them about your business. So you bring that person into your business, you get them to open up their settings, you give them 11 different things that they can do to change their settings, 19 elements to start a conversation, and 2 of the people that they start talking to join the business. Then you do the same thing with the new people. This process is easy, it's fast, and it duplicates like crazy before you've ever picked up the phone to call that warm market list. And this is exciting because it's going to put you and everyone on your team on the road to success in your business in record time. Help your new recruits make money quickly, and you're on your way to building an exciting team. Now, it's easy to identify perfect prospects on LinkedIn from the information listed on their profile. Their answers to some simple questions confirm that they are indeed perfect prospects. Your success on LinkedIn is going to depend on a number of factors. 1, optimizing your profile so it can be found in everyone's search results, adjusting your profile settings so people can see the important details, understanding the dynamic use of LinkedIn and how people communicate with each other, positioning yourself as an authority within your niche market and industry, creating effective lead generation methods that turn prospects into business builders, and influencing your audience with effective posting, and officially qualifying your prospects to increase your closing ratio. Now, LinkedIn is no longer a secret. In fact, LinkedIn now has 850 million professional users. Last month, they added 10 million more users. LinkedIn and Facebook have changed, and they've added new features. And when you take advantage of some of these new features, you'll have an edge over your competition. Now, there are prospecting and recruiting script strategies and tactics that work better during the summer than at any other time of the year. And when used correctly, they'll enable you to quadruple the size of your existing network and experience significant rank advancement. Many of the recent changes made by LinkedIn and Facebook have actually made my strategies and tactics even more effective than ever before. And some of the recent changes have made portions of my training material obsolete because the features and the applications that we use no longer exist. Now, you'll have many chances to tell people what you do. It's a natural part of your conversation with them on LinkedIn and Facebook. But if it was going to cost you $500 every time you gave someone the link to your website, you take the time to qualify them before you did and determine their potential, or you'd go broke. Simply ask your prospect questions to learn more about them. And when you let the conversation with your prospect flow naturally in the direction that each answer you receive takes you, you'll end up talking to more people about your business and closing more sales. So, as I introduce some of these new tactics, some of these tonight are being seen for the first time. I just want to start out by saying you can't fail. With unlimited prospects to talk to on LinkedIn or Facebook, and with continual practice, you simply can't fail. The content of your profile and your daily activity positions you to be perceived as an expert and influencer by everyone that sees what you're doing. The secret to connecting with the huge pool of prospects available to you, attracting a constant flow of perfect prospects that easily convert to new business partners and customers, has to do with 3 things. 1, the relationships you create. 2, the influence you generate. And 3, the conversations that you initiate. The ability to get people to talk to you, follow you, take action, and join your team revolves around everyone's perception of who you are, which is completely in your hands and totally in your control. Now, the smartest top earners in your business are using LinkedIn. They're using it differently than most people. They use LinkedIn's latest new features to enroll customers and reps in less time, build large teams faster, and build massive organizations all around the world. And they do it by connecting with the right people.